In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a Confluence page. Archiving pages can help you keep your Confluence workspace organized by removing outdated or irrelevant content from view, while still preserving it for future reference. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, let's start from your Confluence homepage. This is where you'll get an overview of all the spaces you have access to. Imagine it as your central hub for managing content across your Confluence environment. Once you're on the homepage, you need to identify the specific space where your page is located. Spaces in Confluence are essentially collections of related pages that allow you and your team to manage content according to different projects, teams, or other categorizations that suit your needs. After you've chosen the space, you'll see a sidebar that lists all the pages within that particular space. Navigate through this list and click on the page you want to archive. This will bring you to the page itself, where you can review its content and ensure that it's indeed ready to be archived. It's a great idea to make sure no critical updates or changes are necessary before you proceed. Next, look towards the top right corner of your page, where you'll see a series of icons and options. Among these, you'll find the icon with 3 horizontal dots, often referred to as the More Actions menu. Clicking this will present you with a drop-down of additional options related to the page management. From this menu, you want to select the option labeled Archive. By choosing this, you're instructing Confluence to remove the page from active view while maintaining its integrity in the archive area for future access, if needed. Once you've clicked Archive, a confirmation prompt will typically appear. This is Confluence's way of asking, "Are you sure you want to archive this page?" It's an extra layer of protection against accidental archiving. Give it one last check to make sure you're archiving the correct page, and if all is set, go ahead and confirm by clicking the Archive Confirmation button. And there you have it. You've successfully archived a Confluence page. The page is now out of your active workspace, but remains retrievable for any later needs. You can view, restore, or permanently delete archived pages from the Archive section as well. Maintaining a clutter-free workspace not only enhances productivity, but also ensures that your team can easily find and focus on the most relevant and up-to-date content. Thank you for joining me in this session, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any topics you'd like me to cover next, feel free to let me know.